Ducati Biker, and welcome back to the Ducati Biker channel. If you're new here, our goal for this channel is to spread the love and joy of Ducati motorcycles and everything related. When it comes to, obviously today our subject is the Shark helmets, but we talk about Ducati official clubs, owners groups, dealerships, Ducati motorcycles, podcasts, and now we're going to go into what I would call a product review in my new Shark helmet, which I'm unboxing. If you guys haven't already seen my previous video of unboxing this Shark Pro Race RGP Martinator Edition helmet, make sure you click that subscribe button, scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see where I unbox this helmet. But now, today, I have a brand new helmet in here, which I want to show you. It's another replica edition. I'm going to let you guess real quick. I'm not going to tell you, but let's get into it. I'm really excited. This one happened to have come all the way from Europe because it's the replica edition of, I'm about to show you, but I just received it the other day. I haven't even put it on, and I can't wait to show you guys all and unbox it. So, moving on from this replica helmet, I'm just going to put this one right here up front. Now let's get into the box. Actually, let's just show you a little bit of the box a little bit. Slide this over here. So this is the Shark helmet. So this is how if you were to buy a Shark helmet, especially one of the really nice ones, the Race R Pro GP, it's going to come in a box like this. After that, we're going to open the box like so. Really nice packaging already. And this is the thing I love about Shark. And this is my sixth or seventh Shark helmet. Sorry, I'm completely losing track because I've been riding Shark helmets for the past 12 years of my whole riding career. So it means a lot to me to ride for Shark. And then look at that, guys. If you buy a helmet that's over $1,000 or $500 and it doesn't come in a box in a nice case like this, like I tell all my friends this, I have probably like 4 or 5 of these bags. This is my Louis or Gucci bag right here. I will travel with this and bring this bag and use it for all sorts of kind of things. But most importantly, what's inside. So you can see they got a double zipper right here. First latch will come off, and then wow, look at this. Oh, it's just it's like I love unboxing helmets and stuff like that. It's so beautiful. And look at this beautiful silky blue helmet liner that they give you in here, which is really nice. I'm going to slide this over to the side. Put the helmet right here. I love the feel of this. The helmet bags I've used for all sorts of different things as well. And the majority of helmets I see that aren't Shark, they just come with this in a cardboard box without this bag. So it's really nice to see that Shark protects their helmets right there, especially for the Race R Pro GP replica editions. Now, just going into the bag a little bit, they do bring you a black complementary racing visor. This is the tinted one, so I believe there's a clear one here. We're about to find out. So this is something I'm going to show you guys how to install real quick. And again, I went into a lot more details and specifications about these helmets. Again, just make sure you follow us, click the subscribe button, and you will see where I went over 3 different GPR Pro replica helmets here in Arizona. But for now, we're going to start with this one. So we get the visor. This is cool. They also give you a little latch. You can kind of carry this over like I was saying, like a little Gucci bag. And then we got some awesome stickers in here as well. Now, without further ado, let me show you guys which one I picked out. And this is a little bit special to me. For most of you who don't know, I'm half French. So I represent Shark helmets for the past 12 years because they're a French helmet brand. 1, 2, 3. Boom! Welcome to the brand new Shark GPR Pro Grand Prix Edition de France. As you guys can see, we have the beautiful French flag going across the whole entire helmet, all the way in the back. Now, what makes this helmet really special, like I said, is I'm French flag, French brand, so I really love to represent my country from where I was born, but also most importantly, this is Johan Zarco. Johan Zarco right now is riding for Prix Ducati on the MotoGP. He happens to be my age as well, and he's French, I'm French, Shark, Ducati. Like, what better helmet could I have chosen this year to represent Shark and also Ducati, and they came up with the graphics. It's absolutely beautiful. The details of this helmet are really, really nice. And then again, specifications are in my other reviews. I will show you a little bit of the inside and how to replace the visor. So what I love about inside these Shark helmets is that it's like a ruby red, glossy, velvet cake, all like the inside of a Louis Vuitton or Gucci bag. I'm sorry I'm using that expression, but like that's just how quality and nice this helmet actually is. Right here, you have the Shark Easy Fit. So this right here, you're allowed to put your sunglasses into the back of the helmet. So I'm just going to remove this because I don't ride with sunglasses, which is really cool. Right here, they have two features. They have a water guard for when you're racing and you don't want water going up into your helmet. They have this water nose guard, which protects you right here. And then they also have right here my favorite thing, which is the wind flap. So right here, there's an extension wind flap that connects to here, which keeps all the wind from going up into your chin and into your eyes. So I absolutely love that Shark does that. And again, guys, this is of this model, I've had 7 Shark helmets. Of the GP Race Pro editions, this has to be my 4th one. So really excited about this. As you guys know, probably on every and all helmets, they have this little sticker here saying, don't grab the spoiler in the back. Why would you do that? You should never do that. Never hold the helmet from here, grab it from the strap in the front like this. Nor the visor, don't grab it there. So right now, since I'm aware, we're just going to do the peeling of the sticker, unless it's going to be really difficult, and it's going to take me 5 minutes on camera to do, but no, so who likes satisfying sticker peels? There you go. Oh, this is cool. Check this out. He has the eye, so that's like Johan Zarco's logo, so I have an eye on the back, but it's a really nice, like, pretty glossy one. So, really like seeing this, but now what I want to do, because I don't feel like the helmet's totally complete right now, I'm going to put the black visor on. So again, in my other Shark helmet review, I showed you guys how to replace your visors. It's very simple. You have these what I like to call little shark fins. This one's going to pop open like that. This one's going to move forward like this. And as you raise the visor, listen carefully, click, 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 click. These are going to pop up open like that. As soon as these little fins are disengaged and are in popped out position, you could just literally grab the visor and it pulls off just like that. Does it in 2 seconds. I've actually made a video where I've replaced my visor with one hand. So, I'm going to put the clear one on the side. Let's get this black tinted racing visor on. This is going to look so nice and unique. So, when you're putting your visor back on, you're going to have these little inserts here for the shark fin, and it's very common sense. You don't want it to have it at an angle where it's not going to fit into the right slot. You want to make sure they're both completely flush because you're going to slide it in there. Once they're both completely flush, just line up the visor within the inserts. You're going to have a little clicking sound. Just click on that side, click on this side. Once you have those engagements, you push the shark fins in, you rotate them back, boom. You got your visor totally in place. Didn't even take me 5 seconds to do that. Now this is going to be more cool. I actually just want to kind of show you guys the helmet like this. I think it's really, really nice. I'm going to leave that black sticker on because it's really cool, and I want to do a different unboxing video. But other than that, huge thanks to Sharks. Huge thanks to Sharks. Huge thanks to all the sharks swimming around the ocean representing this helmet. Huge thanks to Sharks Racing Helmet over in France. Grand merci à vous. Ça fait un grand plaisir pour avoir ce casque and to represent Johan Zarco. I'm just saying it's a great pleasure to represent Johan Zarco and have this French helmet. Other than that, I will do a cardo install, which is in a separate video. But now I just want to see both these helmets kind of together, because someone wanted to have a little comparison. So this one was last year's Jorge Martin, the Martinator, who currently switched to Alpinestyle this year for his helmet, unfortunately for him. But either way, we do have the Shark edition from him, and then now we have the Johan Zarco edition one right here. So I'm just really happy to have both these limited edition helmets here in the US, also to represent Shark helmets. But I like being exclusive. I like having the first ones. And again, this was imported. I just got it yesterday from my social media manager who sent this to me from France. And it's the Grand Prix helmet. I'm really happy because I'm supporting Johan Zarco this year. It's really, really cool. So that being said, let's just put this one on the side. And we're going to close off by saying huge thanks to Shark Helmets. If you guys haven't already seen the review of the specifications about these helmets, make sure you click the subscribe button. Go further down, you'll see I did a beautiful presentation with 3 different versions of this helmet. I was just so excited. I want to make this video to show you guys the new graphic and the whole color scheme about this, because it's a limited edition helmet, and I love everything that's related to Ducatis, and that's why we're here. So, huge shout out to Shark Helmets in France. Thank you guys, Shark Helmets USA, for supporting me, and also everyone who wears a Shark helmet and Johan Zarco, Ducati Graphic Racing, and everything involved that we love to do. So, thank you guys. Subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll see you later. Hey, what's up everyone? It's Ducati Biker and welcome back to